I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making chocolate peanut butter rice cakes. This is such a delicious recipe, super simple, and you only need few ingredients. So let's start.
We only need 4 ingredients for this recipe. First, boil some water and melt your chocolate in a bowl. The French call this au bain-marie. Once the chocolate is melted, set it aside to cool slightly. In the meanwhile, put a good amount of peanut butter on your rice cake. Make sure to avoid spreading it on the sides. Now dip your rice cake into the chocolate. If there are any leftover spots, just use a spoon to cover them up. Sprinkle some sea salt over the top while the chocolate is still runny. Put the rice cake into the fridge to harden and you're done! But seriously, how good does this look?
And that's it! That was easy, right? I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I see you in the next one.